I'm going to show you how to make a tropical dream. We're going to start off with our ice, pour that into your glass, and then we are going to do equal parts coconut rum, blue curacao, and pineapple juice. So we're going to start off with a third of our coconut rum. Just fill that up about a third of the way. And the great thing about this drink is that you can use any kind of coconut rum you like. So just choose your favorite kind. And then we're going to do 1/3 blue curacao, and then a third pineapple juice. And this is going to have a really pretty ocean color. Go ahead and shake that up. And then you're going to pour this into a highball glass, just like so. All right. Go ahead and add in a stirry straw. And feel free to garnish that. Because it's a tropical drink, I'm going to do an orange and a cherry flag, just like that. That looks great. Enjoy your tropical dream. Cheers.